The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Rankin County in central Mississippi, northwestern Simpson County in central Mississippi, south central Hinds County in central Mississippi, north central Copiah County in central Mississippi, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Terry, 7 miles northeast of Crystal Springs, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Radar indicated.
Source, radar indicated.
Hail damage to vehicles.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jackson, Florence, Lights, Star, and Monterey around 3:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Johns around 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Appalachia around 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Kansas around 2:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Decatur and Stratton around 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Little Rock around 3:05. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lincoln County in south central Mississippi, central Copiah County in central Mississippi, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Allen, or 18 miles northwest of Brookhaven, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hazlehurst, Glency, Martinsville, and Barlow around 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Crystal Springs and Goldman around 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hopewell around 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Georgetown around 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.